This is a demonstration of the Zugout Universal Vacuum Hose Adapter. This was designed to help you vacuum out your AC drain line. With this double cone design, it can fit onto a vacuum hose like this. It can fit onto plumbing like this. It can fit onto this side. All sorts of different vacuum attachments like this. And so we have here a drain line that's very close to the ground for an air conditioner. This adapter is meant to go underneath because you can't get your vacuum hose underneath. Now that this piece is on, we take our Zug out, we turn on the vacuum. And just like that, your air conditioner drain line is vacuumed. So here's what we got. Amazon link below. We're a family company, so we appreciate any support. If you have air conditioner questions or home maintenance questions, ask us below. I will answer them, and there's a video about air conditioners right there, and another one right there. The subscribe button is also right there. I will be doing a lot of homeowner tips, air conditioning tips, so if that's interesting to you, please follow along with us, and check out our website, acdrainlinecleaners.com. Thank you.